All right, this is what we're gonna tackle. Maybe some winter. Hi, Winnie. This is my Christmas cart. It was, we moved on December 28th last year, so this was like the remnants of last year, plus my stuff from this year is kind of just plopped on there. So we are gonna go through and get this cart organized and ready because today is December 1st and it is time for December Daily. So I'm gonna put you on fast forward as we get this thing organized. Okay, so the cart is done. I have all of the 12 by 12 paper here, and then the stuff that's too tall to fit on these shelves. So all of these are 12 inches tall, 12 inches, a little wider. In here, there's a plastic box under here. This is all like 6 by 6 paper pads, stickers. I'm keeping this because I want to use this in my album, but they're gone. And here are like traveler's notebooks, some page protectors, some transparencies, all of the things. Here is that ring that I have showed you guys before. This one's a little bit bigger. I think this one's 12 inches, if I'm not mistaken, with all my Christmas washi. And let me squat down here. Some ribbon. These are all stickers. These are all embellishments. This is the advent calendar from Rachel. I can't wait to, it's all sequins. I can't wait to tear into that. Then I have this scrapbook.com organizer. It's for 3x4 and 4x6 cards. This is probably gonna get modified at some point to organize it better. Then I have like random stuff. So these are all like die cut packets. These are alphabets and numbers down here. I kept them all together. And then we have ribbon, loose acrylics and chipboards. And then these are all color casts from like the past 4 years. I think 2017 was the first year I got them. So, and then extra washi. This is ribbon, and that is some Nuvo glitter paste. So the cart is completed. I am going to add pictures of the cart, some close-up pictures for you to see what it looks like close up. But yeah, I'm super excited. I am ready for December and the documenting that is involved. I appreciate y'all so much for tuning into this video. Your comments are always appreciated. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you within 24 hours. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day. And I hope you find time to be creative, especially in this month full of creative inspiration. Bye, y'all.